All right, everybody. Hope you're having a nice Friday. So for world geography today, to kind of finish out our study of population pyramids, you are going to pick three countries to make predictions over the next 30 years. So, for example, we have this population pyramid website, which I will link in the assignment for the Google Classroom today. So, you'll go over here to the world, and you'll pick, a random country. So let's do Afghanistan. So this is the prediction for Afghanistan in 2020. So this is the current population pyramid, the current snapshot of Afghanistan's population for male and females at all ages. Now, you need to make a prediction based off the population pyramid. So we see a boom here at the bottom, population boom. So what is it going to be in the next, what is the population going to be like in the next 50 years? So what will the population be like in 2050? And you can actually see the website's projection. So if we skipped all the way to 2050, this would be its projection. So we're going to see some kind of an increase, but again, this is a projection, so it's not completely accurate. But you can make your own guess as to what the population will be in the next 30 years. So you will do that for three countries. So whichever three countries you want, they can be whatever you want. And then you will make your prediction. So you'll go over to Google Documents and you'll pick your country. So we did Afghanistan just now. And your answer must be like this. So my prediction is, then you'll go on to explain your prediction. Because I think that, then you'll go and explain what you think. And then you need to show evidence. And the evidence shows that, and explain the evidence. Why do you think this is going to occur in the next 50 years? Maybe pick countries where you kind of know some kind of an idea of what's going on in the country, based off your own personal knowledge, or maybe just you may not know everything that's going on in a country, so you may pick something like countries that are nearby us, so like Mexico or Canada, or the United States. You can pick one of those. Since you live in those countries and you have a better idea of what's going on there. So that will be your assignment for today, Friday, while I am not here. So pick, pick two more countries, and you'll have a total of three after that. All right, that is your assignment for today. That is all. All right. Have a nice weekend.